Tea time at Grandma Sandy's. So happy you stopped by. I was looking for someone to come and have a cup of tea with me today. I have some brownies already laid out to share also. Hope you enjoy what we're having. We have different kinds of tea. Take your choice. We have some green tea, as you can see, and we have some sweet and spicy good earth tea, and of course Grandma likes her spicy dragon red chai tea. Take your choice. You know Grandma loves a variety of things to have for all of her awesome friends. I hope you are enjoying what I put together, and this is a zero cost, as you can see. Everything here has been up on a post lately, and nothing is new. You know Grandma, repurpose, repurpose, repurpose. The heart scatter was from Hobby Lobby, bought a year or two ago. It's not new either. The cups are a gift from my granddaughter, and the set was bought several years ago. I've had it 3 or 4 years. And of course, what would it be if we didn't have hot cocoa and marshmallows? For those that'd rather have hot cocoa instead of tea. I have everything ready. Just stop on by and let's have a nice cup of tea. Now all I changed on this was the little plates. These are the plates that come with the cups. As you can see, they match. And look, she's drinking her hot tea for a winter morning. And this one is the same and matching also. So another free tea station. You know how Grandma is. She's always trying to figure out ways to change her stuff up just by doing 1 or 2 little different things and tweaking it. You don't have to constantly be buying new items. You can tweak what you already own and have and just change a few things out and see how much different it looks. Only by changing the plates out. Hope you're enjoying what we're doing today, showing how you can put as many different posts up without spending money. These are all free posts, and you know Grandma's all about the word free. Hope you're enjoying how I'm changing things about. Tea, anyone? I'm all ready for you. Here's my Valentine's tea station today, as I'm showing you lots of different ways to decorate for Valentine's. And the best part of all, I'm showing you how to do it for free. None of these items are new. I'm just switching out cups and saucers to give a different look. This is gold trim around the cups and the saucer or salad plate. These were from Dollar Tree, and they are not new. I've had them for some time, and they've been used in different posts. And that is the best part of all what Grandma's trying to show you today. You can make anything look, especially if they're white. You can use white accessories and change them into anything you want. We can use this same thing for Christmas by changing out the accessories. For 4th of July, changing out accessories. We can use all these same pieces. White goes with everything. Hope you're enjoying this post and how to change and have so many different looks with just changing a few little things out. For you don't have to constantly be going and buying and spending tons and tons of money, but still keeping variety on your YouTube channel. As you know, Grandma puts up about 7 to 10 posts a week. I can't be spending money on every single post, So I try to show you as many different looks with using the same items I've already showed you in the past. You can keep reusing what you already own and have. Just keep changing out the accessories. Hope you enjoyed this series, how to do free post. They're gonna keep coming all the time because you know how cheap your grandma is. We have to constantly be thinking out of the box, and this was not hard to do. Anybody can put something together for free. Just look in your cabinet or in your cupboard and see what you own and have and what you can reuse over and over again just by styling it a little differently. And this beautiful white teapot can be done so many different ways also. Now, the very center of this tea set is exactly 100%. Nothing's been changed or moved. The only thing that's different is the actual cups themselves. And look at how beautiful they go with the teapot with the little bumps all about. Oh my gosh, I found these cups at Dollar Tree and they match this teapot perfectly. And the teapot was bought from Home Goods, and they have so many beautiful things there. But the great thing about this is another zero cost. I've had the cups probably a year or so, and that is the only thing new on this table or in your tea station, wherever you want to place them. And as you know, we've used this heart-shaped tray quite a few times for Valentine's already. And every time it looks a little different. And just by placing different things in it, you can make it be anything you want. Hope you're enjoying all these free posts that I'm coming up with today on this one video. Just showing you can do lots and lots of posts and keep that cost way, way down. And even though these cups do not go with these salad plates, they look beautiful with them. They look as pretty as the ones you just saw that do go with it. So don't be afraid to mix and match what you already own with other pieces. It will work as long as the colors are the correct colors. I have your brownie on your plate. Now it's just up to you what kind of tea you want, or if you want hot cocoa to drink. I'm ready for you. Come and stop on by. Hugs and kisses to all of you that stayed to the very end to see what Grandma came up with today. You know, Grandma always loves having company by. Thank you so much, my awesome friends. Always coming by and seeing what we have.